Running Steam games from an external hard drive or SSD is one of the easiest ways to free up space on your main PC, especially now that game sizes in 2026 can get massive. If your internal drive is filling up fast or you simply want a portable game library you can move between devices, this method is a huge time saver. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up an external drive in Steam, move your existing games over without re-downloading, and install new games directly to that drive. And I'll also show you the most important tips to avoid slow loading, missing games, or performance issues. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, connect your external SSD or hard drive to your PC. For the best experience, I strongly recommend using an external SSD instead of an older mechanical HDD, especially if you plan to play newer games with huge maps, detailed textures, and frequent loading screens. A good SSD will help keep your load times fast and your gameplay smooth. Once your drive is plugged in, open Steam and go to Settings. From there, click Storage. This is where Steam manages all of your library locations and install folders. At the top of the storage screen, you'll see your current drive list. Click the plus icon or the Add Drive button depending on your Steam version. A list of available drives will appear. Select your external drive from that list, then click Add. Steam will automatically create a Steam library folder on that drive, which tells Steam that this location is now an approved place to store games. This step is important because Steam needs to recognize the external drive before it can install or move anything there. Now let's say you already have games installed on your main drive and you want to move them to the external drive without downloading them again. That's where the storage menu becomes really useful. In the same storage section, click your local drive, usually your C drive, and you'll see a list of installed games. Check the boxes next to the games you want to move. You can move one game or multiple games at once depending on how much space you want to free up. After selecting your games, click the Move button in the bottom right corner. Steam will ask you where you want to move them. Choose your external drive as the destination, then confirm by clicking Move again. Steam will transfer the files instead of re-downloading everything from scratch, which saves both time and bandwidth. Once the move is complete, those games will now live on your external drive and be ready to launch from there. If you're installing a new game, the process is even easier. When you click Install on a game in your Steam library, Steam will ask you where you want to install it. Under the Choose Location for Install menu, select your external drive, then continue with the installation as normal. From that point on, Steam will place the new game directly onto the external storage instead of your main system drive. Now let's talk about the most important tips because the drive type and connection method really matter. First, SSD versus HDD. For modern games, especially open-world titles and bigger AAA releases, an external SSD is the better choice by far. It gives you faster loading, better responsiveness, and fewer issues with textures loading slowly. If you use an older HDD, the game may still run, but you can expect much longer load times and occasional texture pop-in, especially in demanding titles. Second, always close Steam completely before unplugging the drive. This is a safety step that many people skip. If you disconnect the external drive while Steam is still open, Steam may not detect the games correctly the next time you launch it. In some cases, it can act like the games are missing, which means you may need to go back into Settings, open Storage, and add the drive again so Steam can rediscover everything. Closing Steam first helps prevent that problem and keeps your library organized. Third, use the right USB port. If your external drive supports it, plug it into a USB 3.0 or USB-C port for the best performance. These ports are usually colored blue or red, depending on your PC or laptop. Avoid standard USB 2.0 ports, which are much slower and can bottleneck your game performance badly. Even if your SSD is fast, a slow port will hold it back, so the connection matters just as much as the drive itself. And that's really all there is to it. Once your external drive is added to Steam, you can install games directly to it, move games over whenever you need more space, and keep your PC running without constantly deleting files. It's a simple setup, but it makes a massive difference if you play a lot of games or work with a smaller internal drive. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.